In order to install the filter element in the OLF housing, do the following. Isolate the inlet and outlet from the oil supply. Undo the vent screw. It may be necessary to connect a drain hose to the ball valve before bleeding. Open the ball valve at the base and drain the oil. Close the ball valve once drained. Loosen the lower clamps. The housing may be split into two sections by loosening the upper clamp. This will reduce weight on each section. Lift up the housing cover. Remove the locking cap. Put the element into position. This is the same procedure as for changing the element. Replace the locking cap once the filters are installed. This will ensure that the oil is filtered. Replace the housing cover, clamps, and tighten the vent screw.